Moving further to the next question. So now I'm moving on to question number 7. Now question number 7 is a little, I would call it as a complex in the sense that many a times it so happen that you may not be able to realize that the angles are complementary. Okay, here find the value of sine 50 plus theta. Sorry, this is 50. 50 plus theta minus cos 40 degree minus theta. Now find the value of this. Now other times, you know, you are directly given angles which are complementary. So this angle like for 50 and 40, or maybe 20 and 70. So you are given complementary, but here now the bracket angles looks a little different. But you should not worry, because if you see carefully, what you see, this and this angles, they are already complementary. Now you can check whether they are complementary or not. Now 50 plus theta is one angle, then 40 minus theta is another angle. Now if you add these two angles, so you are going to get 90, because minus theta and plus theta is getting cancelled. So that means the addition of these two angles are also giving you 90. So that means these two angles are also complementary. Again I am repeating, these two angles are also complementary. Now since these two angles are complementary, now how do we convert one in the form of the other one? I am going to change one angle in the form of another one. So now why I said this question is a little complicated is because many a times you people do not know how to convert. Now see, since 50 plus theta and 40 minus theta, they are complementary, we will change one of them. Either we'll change the first angle, that is 50 plus theta, or we'll change 40 minus theta. I'll prefer to change the first one. Okay, I'm changing that one. Sine. Okay, I'll give a square bracket. Instead of writing 50 plus theta, I'll write 90 minus 40 minus theta. Now you must be wondering what I did. So if you open this bracket, by the way, now you can try it. You can I'll try opening the bracket. 90 minus, bracket is open means minus into plus is minus, and minus into minus becomes plus, so it becomes plus theta. So 90 minus 40 is 50, so it becomes 50 plus theta, and this very 50 plus theta only is what is there in the bracket. You can see here in this bracket we have 50 plus theta. That means if I subtract 90 minus 40 minus theta, I am going to get that what is there in the bracket, that one. So that means instead of writing 50 plus theta, I wrote 90 minus 40 minus theta. And since I am changing the first one, I am not going to change the second one. Second one will remain as it is, cos 40 minus theta. Okay, now here we go. Now since the formula can be applied, now it is 90 minus certain angle now. So you know sine 90 minus theta, so I'll treat this whole thing as theta. So sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So that means this whole thing now can be written as cos 40 minus theta, because sine changes to cos. As you can see, sine has changed to cos, 90 minus theta changes to that 40 minus theta only. And the second one is cos 40 minus theta. Second one we are not changing. Now both of this, now you see, this is cos 40 minus theta, this is cos 40 minus theta. Both of them are same. One is positive, as you can see, the first one is positive, there is no sign, and the second one is negative. So this and this can be cancelled. So cos 40 minus theta positive and cos 40 minus theta negative can be cancelled, and your answer is 0. And don't forget, this is a cancellation of plus and minus. Whenever you cancel a plus and minus, your answer is 0. But when you are cancelling the division, upper side, lower side, numerator, denominator, then the answer is 1. So this is your question number 7. Now moving ahead to the next question. So let's take question number 8. Now question number 8, I would say, rather than this section complementary, this is from the previous exercise, previous chapter that we have done, a standard angle. They are saying find the value of, okay, let me take question number 1. They are all easy, I think you can all do. All are by the way, all are standard angles, so you have to use that table which you have learned. So that 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree table, you have to write the values and solve. Okay, let me just do one. It is 2 root 2 cos 45 degree into cos 60 degree plus 2 root 3 sin 30 into tan 60 and minus it is cos 0 degree. Okay, since the question is telling you to find the value of this one. Okay, see, all angles are standard. Now don't try to convert it into complementary. Standard 45 degree standard, 60 degree standard, 30 degree standard, 60 degree standard, even 0 degree standard. So all are standard angle. Now from the table that you have learned, you have to write the value. So starting with now 2 root 2 into, now look at the table, or if you can remember the values, cos 45 value is 1 by root 2 into cos 60 value is half. Okay, I did the first part now, plus 2 root 3 into sin 30 value is half and tan 60 value is root 3 minus cos 0 value is 1. Alright, now here you go. Now let me do the cancellation with this one. Root 2 and root 2 I will cancel. This 2 and 2 also I will cancel. Similarly this 2 and similarly I am also cancelling this 2 with this 2. Then after cancellation, now let's do the multiplication. Here everything got cancelled. So here everything got cancelled means we are left with 1. This is a division and multiplication cancellation. Plus here 2 and 2 got cancelled. So now we are left with root 3 into root 3. And you know root 3 into root 3 is 3. And then minus 1. So there you are. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Or you can simply cancel minus 1 and plus 1. So your answer is 3. This is your question number 8.1. Yeah, 9 is also simple and easy. Now let me move on to the next one. Let me move on to question number 10. Okay, now 10 is about finding the value of x. Okay, do it properly, nicely, because this question number 10 is a little different. Okay, let me take question number 10.3. Find the value of x if cos 2x minus 6 degree is equal to cos square 30 degree minus cos square 60 degree. I think we have discussed this type of question also in the previous exercise. Okay, this is also from standard angle values. So standard angle, you can see all 30 degrees standard angle. So there 30 degrees is standard angle, 60 degrees is standard angle. So you have to first put the values of standard angle. Alright, now what I'll do now is, first on the right hand side, wherever standard angles are there, I'll put their values. Okay, so on the left hand side it will remain as it is, cos 2x minus 6 is equal to, now cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Okay, I'm wholly squaring it, minus cos 60 value is half. So that also I'm wholly squaring it. Then this is cos 2x minus 6 is equal to root 3 by 2, and you square it will be 3 by 4 minus this is 1 by 4. Then we have cos 2x minus 6 is equal to, now 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, taking the LCM as 4. So this becomes 3 minus 1, so that is 2 by 4. So you have now cos 2x minus 6 is what is equal to 2 by 4, or 2 by 4 is what, when you cancel, is becoming 1 by 2. Now cos something is half. Now you have to see that this half that you see on the right hand side, cos some value from the standard table may be half. So then I'll write cos 2x minus 6 is equal to half, and you know that cos 60 degree is half. So there both sides I have written cos. So in your mind only now think that this cos and cos is cancelled in your mind. Now don't cancel it. Okay, now think that this cos and this cos is cancelled. Now as these two cos are cancelled on left side and right side, now you are left with 2x minus 6 is equal to 60. Alright, now we'll solve now. Okay, let me take this side. So 2x minus 6 is equal to 60. Now we'll solve and get the value of x. Now minus 6 you take it on the right side. Now you have 2x equal to 60 plus 6. Then you have 2x equal to 66. So x equal to 66 by 2. When you cancel it, so that is what is 33. So this is what is the value of x. Now question number 10 has two more questions similar to this one. You can solve. In fact, question number 1 and 2 are much more easier. As going on to question number 11. Now question number 11 is a little difficult as compared to other question. And out of the 5 question, I'll try to do 2. The most difficult ones are what I am trying to do. So you can try others. Okay, so here you go then. Question number 11. In question number 11, if I am going with number 1, So it is sec square theta minus 2 tan theta is what is equal to 0. So you are asked to find here the value of theta. Find the value of theta. So as you are asked to find the value of theta means in fact you have to find what the angle is. Now to find out the angle, so what we'll do now is first let me apply the formula. So this sec square theta has a formula, and the formula for sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta, and then this is minus 2 tan theta equal to 0. Now this becomes a little difficult to solve. I hope you people have done a chapter called quadratic equation in class 8. In quadratic equation we need to split the middle term, almost like factorization, where you do factorization by splitting middle term. Almost in the same way you have to do, except that here you have equal to 0. Okay, now first let me arrange this tan square theta, then after that minus 2 tan theta. I am going to arrange these thetas. By the way, you have to arrange in descending order of the power. So the first power is square, so I have written first, then after that you have third one as 1 equal to 0. So then you can see I have arranged the highest power square is what I have written first, then after that there is no power, or power 1 is what is here in the second one, then after that you have no tan. Now I need to split this middle term. This 2 tan theta is to be split in such a way that when you multiply, then it should come tan square theta, and when you add or subtract, the sum of which should come minus 2 tan theta. So in that case, now see what we will do here, tan square theta, and this, instead of writing minus 2 tan theta, now instead of writing this minus 2 tan theta, instead of this one, so I am going to now write minus tan theta minus tan theta. Now don't forget minus tan theta minus tan theta, so minus and minus is plus, so it becomes minus tan theta, and minus tan theta becomes minus 2 tan theta. So instead of that minus 2 tan theta, I have written minus tan theta and minus tan theta. Then let me write that last one, plus 1. So that plus 1 is what I am going to write, equal to 0. Now we are ready to take out the common factor. Now I am going to take the common between these two and also common between these two. So then as you can see, common between the first and the second is tan theta. As tan theta is common, so if I am taking that tan theta common, so inside the bracket will be tan theta minus 1. Then same way in the second one, if I am taking nothing is common, so if I am taking minus 1 as common, then that minus into minus is what is plus. So minus into minus is plus, then minus into plus is what is minus 1. Now you can see both the brackets are same. What you see in the first bracket as tan theta minus 1, in the second bracket also you have tan theta minus 1. So now taking common again from this whole thing, taking tan theta minus 1 as common, tan theta minus 1 if I am taking common, then in the other one, what is outside the bracket, that is what I am supposed to write. So what is outside the bracket is this tan theta and minus 1, tan theta minus 1 equal to 0. Now both the brackets are same. The first bracket is also tan theta minus 1, second bracket is also tan theta minus 1. Then I can write now this as tan theta minus 1 whole square equal to 0. Now if I remove square one side, this square, when I remove one side, then other side I have to put a root. So then let me solve it here. Okay, so then I'll write now this is tan theta minus 1 equal to, on the other side, as I remove square this side, the other side is square root of 0, and square root of 0 is also 0. And then now we have tan theta is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1. Then now you have to remember the table. Tan what value? Tan what value is equal to 1? Then from the table you know that tan theta is equal to tan 45 degree, because you know that tan 45 value is what is 1. So therefore theta value is what is 45 degree. Now as I said, now this question becomes a little tough, difficult. This is because of the fact that here you have to split the middle term. So that's why question number 11 is little different from other questions. So where question number 1 is what I did just now. Then question number 2 also you may have to split the middle term. Question number 3 is easy, to 11.3 is easy. 11.4 let me do, even 11.5 is easy. Maybe you'll face a small problem in 11.2, but you do it similar the way how I have done number 1. Others are all simple and easy. Yeah, something which looks a little complex is 11.4. So let me do that 11.4. Okay, I'm going for 11.4 now. This is question number 11, and number 4. So it is cos theta over 1 minus sin theta, then plus cos theta over 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4. Now we have to find what is the value of theta. Alright, now what I'll do now is I'll take the LCM on the left hand side. The LCM is both 1 minus sin theta and 1 plus sin theta, so the LCM will be both 1 minus sin theta as well as 1 plus sin theta. Then 1 minus sin theta is already there, so it will go here 1 plus sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta will multiply cos theta, so it will be cos theta will multiply 1 plus sin theta. In the same manner, cos theta will multiply 1 minus sin theta, and on the other side you have 4. So this is what you have on the right side. Now if that is so, then further now numerator, and now I am going to multiply. Now cos theta into 1 is what is cos theta, so let me write this as cos theta. Then cos theta into sin theta is cos theta sin theta or sin theta cos theta, so I can write this as sin theta and cos theta. Then plus, now cos theta into 1 is what is cos theta, then minus, this is again sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta, and in the denominator we have 1 minus, as you can see, 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now it looks like algebraic formula a minus b, a plus b. So here it looks like a minus b, a plus b. And then in algebra expansion chapter in class 8 you have learned that a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So it becomes a square, which is 1 square minus sin square theta, and on the other side you have 4. Now further, now here it is now cancellation. So let me cancel with this one. This is minus sin theta plus cos theta, and positive sin theta cos theta is getting cancelled. So plus sin theta cos theta and negative sin theta cos theta is getting cancelled. Then on the upper side you have cos theta plus cos theta. So cos theta plus cos theta, I can write 2 cos theta numerator, and on the lower side 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Yeah, please understand that this one is a formula. In the formula you have learned, okay, let me write the formula here. You have learned that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now if I am transferring this sin square theta that side, right side, then it becomes cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So there you are, your 1 minus sin square theta. This 1 minus sin square theta is what I have written. This 1 minus sin square theta is what I have written as cos square theta. And then if that is so, and on the right side you have 4. Now I'll cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, this is 2 cos theta is what is equal to 4 cos square theta. Now one of the cos I can cancel. Now see, let me do the cancellation. This 1 cos theta I'll cancel with this cos theta. You can cancel the left and right. Then now what are we left with? We are left with what is on the right side. Look, let me solve it here. What is on the right hand side? Let me write 4 cos theta is what is there on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you have 2. Now transfer this 4 on the other side. Okay, I'll solve it here now. Transfer this 4 on the other side. Now you have cos theta is what is equal to 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means I can write 1 by 2. Now from the table, now try to find out cos how much is half. Then you know that cos 60 degree is half. So cos and cos is cancelled both sides. Your theta value is what is equal to 60 degree. So this is what completes your exercise. So I've done almost all different types of questions from this exercise, and I expect that now you people will do all the questions.